Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. The steps I am going to use to model this machine component is, first I am going to create this left side sketch and then I am going to extrude the length of 125 mm. Then I am going to create these two support plates and extruding up to the length of 62 plus 12 mm. Then I am going to create this rib. After creating all the material addition features, I am going to create material removal features. These two holes with a diameter of 15 mm and these two holes with a diameter of 12 mm. After modeling, the component will look like this. So this is the model I have created. The component will look like this. Now we will create the same component by using Creo Parametric. So first go to file. I'm just closing this file. New part solid. Untick this use default template. Say OK. Our model in mm. So choose mm part solid absolute. Say OK. I'm switching on all the planes. So this is our model. Yes. For this tutorial, to view our model in the left side, it's easy to create the model. First what we'll do, we'll create this sketch, this surface. So I'm just taking a front plane, sketch view. I'm just creating these two center lines. Press the roller to confirm or come out from any command. Now I'm just going to create this sketch, taking this rectangle. This rectangle. So this is the way our model looks like this. Go to delete segments. Now the pink color indicates that our sketch is closed. Now we'll specify what are the dimensions we need to specify. One is 62, this has to be required. This is. Another one is, this one is required. This also be required. Go to dimension. This is required. And all the thickness are in 12 mm only. So make these are equal length and this also be equal. These two also be equal. Now this also be equal. So go to equal. This is and this also be equal. Come out from the command. This dimension we need to specify. Remaining are all okay. Now select this one. Modify. Now it is came. This one and this one. Only 3 dimension has to be specified, and this one is as a length of 62. Untick this regenerate. Now this has the length of 12 and this also be 62. Just say OK. Go to fit screen. So this is our model. Now just say OK. Extrude. The extrusion length is 125. Make it symmetric. This is 125. Say OK. Now we have created this plate. Now we'll create this two support plates. Select this surface, sketch view. This is I'm making for reference. Just close it. Now create one small square. This is not a square, actually rectangle. This dimension is 12 and this dimension is 15. This is from the length of 10 from the center. Now the same has to be mirrored this side. So just select this sketch, escape, select the sketch, mirror it. Just say OK. extrude, change the direction, extrude up to the length of 62 plus 12. 62 plus 12, enter. Just press the roller to confirm. Now this is also done. Now we just want to create a rib. So select this midplane, sketch, sketch view, go to reference, take these two edges as a reference, then close it. Take a line from this end point to somewhere here. Here they have specified the angle of 30. Go to dimension, select this line and bottom line, press the roller at the mid. It will show the angle of 30. Just say OK. Go to an option called rib. In that, profile rib, change the direction. Only thickness has to be specified, 12. Say OK. Now we just want to create the material removal feature of these 4 holes. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Here these two and here these two. Just close. Create a circle here. Similarly, same circle with the diameter. These two dimensions are in 15. This is 15. This also be 15. This diameter is also 15. Similarly here, this dimension is 15. This also be 15. Just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. To next. Say OK. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Create one hole here. And go to reference. We need to specify the dimension from here. So this dimension is 30 from top and 20 from here, and the diameter is 12. Say we need to mirror the same circle. Select the circle, mirror options, select, say OK. Extrude, change the direction, to next, say OK. Now we have created completely. Only the 2 round has to be done. Go to select this round, select this edge. The round radius is 10, and press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge. Say OK. Now our complete model is done. So this is our model. Now we have created our model using Creo Parametric. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.